two men. Say the two men are first son, I children be the first children.
That one auntie, leave our auntie. I don't tell you that one.
Now she's a man talking. She want tell me what now? She don't use a man tell me say you born first son. Imagine these two men come by now. Your children go join inherit two property for two different countries. I never want come for you. I just they look you now. You know when small pikin start to the insult person when it's to born eye they be. This your own now. My husband go just tell me I no answer you. He go give me see precious me go where they give me idea of how I want to saga my husband SO. Now she they give me the idea you go say do all like this. If he is your husband play Ludo, you do now she they give me the idea See no sister we no get sense. Now she precious me now your own mother now your own mama now be single mother it no go better for you better for that your mama. For you to carry mouth won't be my mother. When live with your husband for how many years before my father died, you don't go better for you. It not go better for you. They say your mama na single mother, and that single mother now your mama go die remain. For you,
they say no, they don't get better information.
Go give my mother precious man. You not go bet. May I first save this video because you not go right down to delete.
The confession follow everywhere to a real property. Not just say me the mumu.
May I first save this.
Now so that
I get why they swear for you.
Now they say that now they carry information.
Obey reason the man go home and go since then. Because when a precious megi giranya, okona na waru you're here for nothing. We single mother, actually we single mother. Because I want my neck go can do a reply one at tiebo ne. Because they take be kunwa they maybe wamana in your door. I also wanna react ye nini I don't know. Okona no kete me single mother. We me also need precious miss. Eriye ya fe ya la zona. Eriye ya fe ya lao ne zona na gbe mu amoto ma fo wuto. Ama tiebo ni mena. Omatie wo go modo gwe si go omatwe ni won omatwe ni won eriye ya fe ya lawe kiko no si go modo ni robodo eriye ya lawe ya lawe wa no we da no ka bege yen na megi na ware gije eri wa mewe iwa mewa yen ya fe wa kon ye me si go ni be de bayan because a single person ye be Bege, you know what the many the woman at a single mother thought you. I know what he gives you to get over. Ubega, oh, what an ice when we be back when I wear where character. Okay, who soon, my sister? Yeah, was a TD with your yafe. No need, no, where we are swaying. No need, because we are can't deal with a Maggie banner. A me, we are dealing with Tony. Wani buno ya wo woni emo bunse emekere nota wana wa ya gbalegbuwa iti to more yeah Jesus aye nota dem no ko na tana oh aweso a single mother dem no ko na tan wa ya wa fi agbon yo to yina kinu ane gbe mo ho wodo came and a big mom yo ko bi na be single when so we single mother the big mom ko na kina ni reply yen na gele we gbe na gele o kin ya ga da very precious meg no reply mommy 3D umami oboy ad working na kina no ma kan we precious meg oh boy single mother no ho na high you only you I want do like my mate I want reply ya oh ya gba na na re bona re gije wa ya me kakuwa where the result in a sometimes we are able to offend him here. The matter na work your home. Go no bani at your bonabiku, ni maribu. For 5 years, narrated to go on ba. In my Latin one day, because I know myself. Chess. I know myself. Where we am I going to do? Ija. What me what did this sense of video? Yeah, man. Am I them? Because I know myself. Yes. Iya ngwa be ya no say ni ata we o keke na ari because iye be ni meje egbe ni meje ro ya bi ko ni mare ibu no pe abe mari uboka no ya maro ada fun ya akwara no pere iye abe mani mare ibu de ni amayeta ime even mo kwe be tai sese mo kwe be asaga man I megi wa bi yebo oh go me na abegi where I can no man nigga I be saga master now I winya abi yebo me logo se cause igele ami story yan gele disgrace wa ni mare ibu iya disgrace we ni meje iya bi da wala tere ele ya pere e ya pele dogun e wo se because he just taste life me iya surprise wa ye mi o mi ana no wa clean eya ne ya fuck a bla boy oh no run online wete ne mani mare ibu next we the story have a live with TikTok and Facebook wa bien almost to me wona ya ge ina gba okono ga dido eya yege kian ima la dia wan de ni do dia wa guru we mani e vani ni mare gba magi me mare e je veri me na wete ete me gian me I know my what I know my class yeah the boss is primary 6 in level me yeah the boss is primary 6 as far as he travel part of education you know I know my level I know my class well we are ma perfect what go no ge you are perfect 10/10 oko rapa ma free ya me wa ye free ni ya la wodo ima we ma fiakara we de single oh no me gbogbo no iro wodo 100/100 perfect uno ga ti yo bogbe o te tafo wa e blabori e nu doge nenu wa yana ni so na we single na da no maka wo de single wo owo pia correct one so no years no have go alo pia o we relax ya we gbagba wo omo no we bi we single when I better single person when we take the word personalness when ya gbe bo kan ave do musician emi e na dia we baba we this man we picture we la don kuyon man o ye te gbe a pra single mother ni bieka ya to la say ma gwa le papa jiro no mu kegbe abi ami gbe are we dey respect ya you wo ye be full egbo kan ave street àwọn no si go me a ino esingo mama kake baby mama before wake okay do so wabo we dey go an ladian because why I think be obviously ni buya la problem na obviously do they me no wanna tana wani ya my tabe TikTok a live video I still dey ask that question man dafu wana ya mwe kono huowe why do yourself why more money wobo why yare ba deni mama 3D una Messi Johnson mi wa do yara apo bolele yan we ka na mi odanari Messi Johnson oye Julius Tigiri ebo ogena kyobi is it not the same thing odo dey evacuate is it not the same thing because a Messi Johnson we man ye okwo ye go ebo wa okay Julius Tigiri ama kyobi